Hello friends. Welcome to my channel Knowledge Hub. In this video I will tell you how to clean C drive, and make your PC super fast. Let's start. First you have to open run command. And type temp. Select all files. And delete all of them. Now again go to run command. Now type %temp %. It will open another folder. Select all, and delete all of the files. Again open run command. Now type Prefetch. Another folder will be opened. Again select all, and delete all of them. Step 2. Right-click on Recycle Bin, and click on Empty Recycle Bin. Now go to this PC. Right-click on C drive. Go to Properties, click on Disk Cleanup. Check all. And click OK. Now go to Add or Remove Program. And delete all unwanted programs that are not being used. Again right-click on C drive. Go to Properties. Go to Tools. Click on Optimize. Here you can optimize your PC. Optimization will take some time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.